I'm half-bow. I'm stepping on your textbook.
I look up and the sun blinds me.
My retinas begin to burn profusely.
Look at there.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Oh my
the
God.
Water fountain.
Yay! Yay!
Look, we can all take a sip from the water fountain.
Oh no! Oh no!
I flooded the school.
Sane used his mask and helped me to wipe off the water on me. And he looked at me and he said,
"Use your mask."
I'd love to if I could be shown how.
Bend it and use your mask.
Oh no! Oh no!
No, not your hand. There you go. There you go.
Oh no! He motorboated.
Bam! And the dirt is gone.
Okay, I'm half-bow at the correct size.
God, Jason, f*** you.
What?